Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, Virgos, let's start with these cards, guys. So, we have Ace of Air, Empress, and King of Air. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are feeling really confident and inspired. You have total trust in your talents and skills, and you are making some decisions for your work, maybe choosing the path for your future or choosing uh, something, maybe something related to your work related decisions you are making, guys. And you are feeling so confident, full of strength and determination to do things the right way and reach your goals or dreams. And you have complete faith in yourself. And you feel that you are doing things in the right way, guys, today. Maybe in your work or in your relationship, happy for the way things are going for you. And even in your relationship, you have confidence and you have faith in yourself and faith on this person. And maybe things are happening really quickly, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you may see great changes or positive changes, circumstances gaining momentum. Maybe you just met them, you like them, you love them, you love to be with this person. Maybe they feel this way and they are coming to propose to you to get engaged or get married. So, everything happening at a very quick pace. So, lot of positive changes or good changes. The reason may be destiny, guys. Destiny is the reason for things happening so quickly. And you are someone who is really honest. So you do not do anything if you don't believe in that, or if you are not willing to do that. You don't do anything for that namesake. You do it with honestly, do it with honesty. So whatever it may be, something you do in your work, you do it only if you feel that intention to do it. So you are such a person and you want your life based on truth and based on your beliefs or ideals, whatever you have for yourself. And you do not make any rash decisions, guys. And that may be the reason. Maybe though this person is coming to propose to you, you are thinking whether to go for this love or not. So you are thinking whether it is truth or attraction or charm. So what is it? That is what is going in your mind today. So you are not making any impulsive decisions today. You want to make honest choices in your life, in your relationship, guys, Virgos. So even in your career, you know what is working or what will work for you. There may be some lucrative opportunities. It may look like a lucrative opportunity. You may find that very good, but in your heart of hearts, you may feel that you will not be able to succeed in that, and you are, what to say, just holding yourself back, taking a step back, and thinking and deciding. So, that is what is going to help you today, guys, Virgos. So, no matter what comes your way, maybe attractive choices, attractive opportunities, but you are not the one to be deceived today, guys. You are the one who makes clear choices. So, that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Virgos. And that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So, your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So, maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So, whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So that is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.